Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 10 and the chapter name is Fire, Farming and the Will. So in this chapter we will learn that how early humans depend directly on the natures. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Carom video game. You can complete your holiday homework, project work because that marks it will add in your term 1 exam. And whatever the homework you are receiving on online classes, please complete it because you have a lots of time. So use the time, don't waste the time. And whenever the school will open, because I have all the records and I want all the homework, so it's better that you have now you have lots of time to complete it. Till 9, I think that you have done in your fair copy the question answer, objective types, new words, whatever I have given and I have uploaded on the website of Hartford International School. So you can go there. Till now if you have not completed, then you can go there and you can check your homework. So please, if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible because I am reading, so you also read with me. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And please don't go outside. It's a very serious disease, COVID-19. Because of this virus, we can die also. So it's better that our life is very it is very happy. So it's better that we can enjoy the life with happiness. And please just enjoy the online classes and whatever homework you are receiving, please complete it. And once the online class will over, you can go through the chapter and please read once again. It can improve your reading skills also and it will help you also when you will go in higher classes. So just start the chapter. So in this chapter we will learn that early humans depend on nature. That early humans is what? It totally depends on nature. So however they slowly observe the world around them and learn how to make life easier. So however the slowly they developed and they observed that how the world around them is and learned how that we can make our life easier. So in this chapter we will learn about 3 important things. In this chapter we will learn about the 3 important things. The first is fire, second is farming and the third is the will. 3 important things which they have learned and we will also learn in this chapter. The first is fire, farming and the will, which change the story of human beings forever. These are the 3 things which change the early human story and their life also makes easy and then they changed their life of the human beings. So first of all we will see about the fire, that discovery of fire. How did early humans first come across fire? Now how firstly they think about the fire? So perhaps they saw dry leaves and branches catches fire in the forest. First of all, they saw that the dry leaves or some branches, it catch the fire in the forest. It catch the fire in the forest. Like other animals, they were at first afraid of fire. Like the animals also afraid of fire, like that the early humans also the first time they afraid of fire. Slowly they saw that fire could be very useful to them. After that slowly they learned that yes, the fire is very useful to us and it can give us heat, light, and it can be just take that animals far away from us and it can save me from the animals. So that's why fire gave out heat and light. In fact the fire is what they think that, and they just realize that it gives us it gives us heat and light also. So early humans started using fire to keep themselves warm. So after that the early humans they started to use the fire to keep themselves warm. Like we are also use the fire in winter seasons that we can keep warm ourselves. Like that the early human is they also started using the fires so that they keep themselves warm. So that they keep themselves warm. Fire also kept wild animals away. So fire is what if wild animal is there, which the animals which harm the early humans. So fire is what it also kept the wild animals away. You can say also that fire it protects us from the wild animals. So early humans accidentally discovered that fire could be used to cook food. So he don't know that with the help of fire we can cook food also, but very accidentally he just started and he just discovered that fire is what it could be used to cook food also. Because before that invention of the fire, they used to eat the raw like meat without cooking. Nowadays we are cooking, but on that time without cooking they just used to eat then the leaves and these all things they eat. But after the discovery of fire, they realized that fire it can help us to cook food also. Perhaps a piece of animal flesh fell into the fire and got cooked. Then after they realized that if we can fail, and if we can piece of animal's flesh, if we can piece of animal flesh, if we can fail into the fire, we can put into the fire, then it got cooked. After that, on tasting it, people found that this cooked meat was earlier to chew and tasted better than raw meat. After cooking flesh, raw material, that flesh of animals, they used to taste, they used to eat that, and they found this cooked is what it makes that easier to chew. It makes that easier that we can chew also, and it gives us a taste also, which be better than the flesh, that the raw meat. So after that, they started to cook the all meat, and because it's make the easier to chew, and also it makes the better taste than the raw meat. So like that, they just invented the fire. Probably this is how they learned the art of cooking food. After that, they decided to eat these all things. After that is what they learned the art of cooking. They learned the art of cooking, and they are just eating the flesh of meat after cooking with the fire. So gradually early humans learned to use fires to make their life more comfortable. So after that, the early humans is they just learned to use the fires. They just learned that why it is helpful and how it's helpful, so that their life is become very comfortable. Their life is become very comfortable and very easy. So fire makes the early human's life to make very comfortable. So fire nowadays also, fire is very important. It helps us to cook the different types of food. So fire is it's the very important invention. So it can nowadays also, it is helping us in our daily life. We are not sure how early humans learned to make fire, but perhaps they discovered. We don't know that how they just learned to make fires, but perhaps we know that they discovered that when two stones struck against each other, sparks flew. So I think in previous class also you have learned that they don't know that early humans how to make the fires, but they discovered how when they just rubbed the two stones, or striking the two stones once against each other, then sparks come. Sparks flew. Sparks is like a very small burning piece of material, very small burning piece of material produced by hitting two hard things against each other. So the sparks flew, and then after if these sparks fell on the dry leaves, they caught fire. And then after the sparks, the lightning gas, small piece of lightning gas, if it goes and if it's sparking fell on that dry leaves, then they caught the fire. So soon people began making fire by rubbing two stones together. This was a great discovery. After that, the early humans is what they just began to make the fire by rubbing the two stones, and this is the very great discover. Nowadays we are using the fire and it helps our work to make work easier. So that human being had discovered like this type of fire. I hope that you guys understood the beginning of a farming, that how they use the that poetry and then like pot. So that first farming, where is that we will see in the next video. So please guys watch the next videos. Till that, thank you and have a nice day, and please be safe at home.